Hello guys, so I am going to be picking up a Brookhurst ceiling fan and kind of happy because I'm happy because I've never had a Brookhurst. I've only had two Littletons, Hampton Bay Seaport, Hampton Bay Glendale, and the Bellina. So this is gonna be great to actually finally pick up a Brookhurst. Oh, here are the fans now. We've made it. There's the hugger with a broken light kit, another hugger. Raffly 2 with only one chain. Claret, another hugger. Okay, there's a Clarkston 2 down there. Where is it? There is the Littleton fan.
We just come in and walk different and we just sleep around the house. We just get something.
I'm going to see if I see the Brookhurst. Oh, there's the Brookhurst right there. Nice. Hopefully the Brookhurst, I can see it. Oh my god, did I just write that box? Whatever.
No, I didn't have the phone and then just text that.
See, they're all that. Sinclair 2. Again, the Brookhurst. Another Raffly 2. And Sidlow back there. North Pond. I didn't even know they still sell these Glendales. I never knew they still sell those. Wait, I'm not even pointing at Glendale. See, I didn't even know they still sell those. That's confusing. I did not even know they still sell those. Whatever. Enough of that. There's a lot of these fans to choose, but again, I'm choosing the Brookhurst. Brookhurst looks nice as I am judging it. Hopefully it's in stock. I just got to go on the other side. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm going to the other side now, so let's see if the Brookhurst is behind there. There's the Glendale Free with the ugly motor housing. Okay, where are the remotes? I do want a remote for my fan. Oh, here are the remotes. I found the remotes now. Okay, the remotes should be here. Let me get a remote. Okay, let's see. Let's see if the Brookhurst is here. Better be in stock. It don't look like the Brookhurst in stock. Where is it?
Where fun we getting so we can go?
Keep going.
Huh?
Keep it going. Hold on. No, I don't look like the I don't think the Brookhurst is in stock. Is that an older Littleton? It don't look like the Brookhurst is in stock.
Permitting.
Let's see. Oh, there could be some fans on that side. Hopefully there's a Brookhurst in there. I don't see no Holly Springs on this display though. Like, where are the Holly Springs? And for some reason, there's no Farmingtons, which is stupid.
I mean, I say, regardless of anything, you have to get it. There got to be somewhere and shit.
Wow, this hugger is open. This hugger has an open box. Okay, let's see.
You can't get the money now.
Where's my fan that I wanted?
I don't know. Then I need you to come back again.
Okay, I don't want the hugger. Hugger causes problems. It doesn't look like the Brookhurst is back here. Hold on, it's got to be under here. Why does that Clarkston 2 box look bigger than the older ones? That's the older one right there. Is that 52 inch or something? I'm going to... Hold on, guys. Okay, let's see. Is the Brookhurst under here? Where is it? Don't see the Brookhurst. Yeah, the Brookhurst. It doesn't look like the Brookhurst is here, because I don't see the Brookhurst on that wall. Yeah, I don't think there's any Brookhurst. We got Middleton. Okay, I'm just gonna. Oh, there's the Brookhurst. Yes, 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 yes. I found it. Finally. Okay, finally I found it. Right.